fake toe? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a maintenance vlog today because I'm crusty. I'm tired of being crusty. No, I'm just playing with y'all. Seriously though, I am tired of being crusty. My crustaceans on my toes need to be deep cleaned. Okay, they need to be trimmed. They need to get all the gunk and stuff out of there. I need my nails done because I've been walking around with nubby nubs and I'm sick of having nubby nubs. We are doing a maintenance vlog. I need to just do some mommy self-care today because I kind of got off schedule a little bit. So we are back. Okay, where am I going? Uh-oh, hold on, my husband's calling. Hello. Y'all know my mind don't be working all the time, okay? I done lost my train of thought that fast. Yes, I did, because he done called me out and got all discombobulated. But anyway, we are doing a much needed maintenance vlog. I think that's what I was saying, was I kind of got off track with my regular schedule. So today we are doing all of it in one swoop because I have a wedding that I need to go to this weekend, and I can't go to anybody's wedding and be looking crusty. Like, I don't want to be crusty. Which direction does it have me going? Straight? Yeah, so I got my nail appointment. Then we are going to get toes. Y'all, I'm thinking about trying a fake toe. I want to try a fake toe on my big toe. Does anybody else like the I like toenails when they look like really square, because I want white tips and I want them really square. So I'm like, I think I want to try a fake big toe today. Is that crusty, or do people still do that? Well, I don't care if they do. I'm gonna do it today. So we're gonna try that. Then I actually did already have my brows waxed, so I don't have to worry about any waxing today because we already had the can waxed and the brows waxed and the booty hole waxed. Anyway, yep. So just my nails, my toes, and then I need to do my hair. That is one thing that I just, for the life of me, cannot get myself to pay for. I cannot. It's a struggle for me to pay somebody to do my hair. And it's not like, I don't know. It's not that I wouldn't mind doing it. Like, I would not mind paying somebody, you know, especially if they do good work. Like, there are a lot of people out here who do excellent work with their installs and the sew-ins and the this and that. But I can do that stuff myself. I have been doing my hair for so many years that I just cannot get myself to pay hundreds of dollars to somebody to do it for me when I can just do it myself. Because I'm like, for me, I would rather sacrifice my time than sacrifice my coins. So yeah, I don't want to sacrifice my coinages to pay somebody. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a sleek ponytail. I got this really cute dress from J-Lux label that I want to wear for the wedding. Super cute, super like minimalist type chic style. So I'm like, I think a really cute sleek ponytail would be cute for that. And probably just do a glue on a ponytail, like glue on a track ponytail instead of sewing it in. I don't feel like doing all that. I can't even tell you the last time that I did a sew-in ponytail, and I was irritated. But anyway, I'll probably just throw on a quick little ponytail, and, you know, just do a super sleek look. So like I said, let's run down the agenda again. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's 7:53. I have an 8 o'clock appointment for my nails. We've got toes right after that. I'm gonna have to feed myself. I'm gonna have to give me some egg white bites. Ooh, that sounds so good. I want some egg white bites. I can taste it. Oh, that's one other thing I gotta do. Y'all, I'm not paying nobody $180 to do lashes. Like, are you kidding me? I'm not doing it. And then you gotta get fills every 2 to 3 weeks. No, ma'am. So I ordered some what are they? Not the clusters. I ordered the fans. So we are going to do a full set of lash extensions. I'm so excited. I was on a hunt to find some glue that was like at a professional level, but also that you could do self-application. So I found a glue. We'll talk about that later because I need to do my lashes today. So like I said, it is a full maintenance vlog. Mommy is getting herself together today. Okay, so I am pulling up at my nail appointment here in just a second. I done forgot what side of the street. Okay, it's on the right side of the street. I'm pulling up at my nail appointment here in a second. Oh my God, I hope my, okay, a blinker would have been nice, big dog. A blinker would have been nice. The hell? I am, see, now I done got discombobulated again. Y'all know my thoughts don't work like that. I'm about to, shit. See, now I really done forgot my train of thought. Anywho's, we about to go in the nail shop. I'm about to get my nails done. And then, oh, these people can't drive. Let me get my ass over. This is why I do not like going to this gang.
Going ape shit. I'm a had it, oh Scott. Bad bitch, pop to the dot. Came to all the niggas in the cut, smoking pot. Proud of bad shorty, you the bitch as a prop. And my bitch is going, yes. Independent, straight up to my apartment. I'ma give a maximum performance. I can't fall in love because I'm heartless. So please, hiding in the nose, please, baby, get to know me. I got rich, I know, sleep, baby.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for your day?
Hi, can I get an order of egg white bites?
Anything else?
Yeah, let me get a tall white chocolate mocha blonde made with oat milk. And can I get that with 1.5 pumps of white chocolate and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla?
Sorry, give me 1 second.
Okay. Let me see. Do I got cash or do I have to use my debit card? Nope, I'm gonna have to use my debit card. Oh, we have left. Oh, I'm ashy. Lord, do I got lotion? Oh, Lord, I ain't got no lotion. I'm gonna show y'all my nails when I get to some lotion because I'm ashy right now. Like, real bad, real bad.
Stop for a minute.
No, I don't need one.
Alrighty, here's that trick.
Oh, that is the cutest little, is that a mushroom person? That's too cute. I am headed to get my critters scrubbed. Why am I referring to my feet as critters? They look like critters right now. Hey, critter. Going to get my critters done and scrubbed. Like I was telling y'all earlier, I think I'm going to try a fake toe. Why my wig look like that? I think I'm going to try my fake big toe today, so I'm excited. I'm excited for my square toes. Something's wrong with me. I legit got issues, y'all, I promise. Just a little touched by an angel.
Shawty, yeah, whoa. Step in the party, yeah, that bitch up from Molly. Crazy, yeah, we stay going crazy. I like her lady, yeah. She know that I can order us, yeah. She know that I'll make it right back. I feel like it's fun and I just got a tap. I did it again, man, I just got a pack, yeah. Shawty looking at eyes like she up from mom. 10 bangs for the fake, now they tryna rob that. Shawty, she Spanish, she calling me Poppy. Walked in the scene to get bitch.
Yeah, I tried my fake toe. Y'all see my fake toe there? Don't come for my feet. I got pretty feet, okay? They got a few battle wounds. But I like it. I think it's so cute. And they like super square. Except for that ugly scar I got on my foot too. But let me put my toes in the light. Can y'all see better? Ah, it's so cute. Okay, fake toe. Yeah. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. I have had a whole day, okay? And no, I didn't vlog it because I was focused on getting on, all the content that I needed for my maintenance vlog. So I didn't really vlog the rest of my day because honestly, I was just running a bunch of errands because I told y'all I'm going out of town for a wedding. So I needed to do a bunch of last minute running today. Baby, when I say I've been gone all day, I literally am not exaggerating. I had my nail appointment. Oh, and I didn't even show y'all my nails. Okay, hold on. Let me see. My hand's a little crusty right now. But first off, my cousin ate, okay? My cousin does my nails. Shout out to B. Lee. I mean, the execution. Like, I got the little 3D stuff on there. Love it. So, anyway, I had my nail appointment at 8 o'clock this morning, y'all. 8 o'clock. After I did my nail appointment, did my toes, came back home. I was at home all of 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then I left, picked up the rental truck. So my sister came to pick me up for that. Literally was gone. All after that. Because I'm like, oh, I need to run to the store and get these pants. Oh, I need to do this. And then we ended up going to the mall, which was a completely unexpected thing. Stayed in there for, I don't know, probably an hour and a half when really we only needed to go in there for one thing. It was... I'm tired. I am so tired. And I started not to do my hair because I'm about to slick it down into a ponytail. And I'm actually shooting a tutorial for my ponytail because I'm like, yeah, I got to get the most out of my content. So I'm using the same content that I am making a tutorial with for my lashes and the tutorial that I'm doing for my hair. I'm incorporating some of that footage because that was obviously part. And then y'all see this gray patch of hair. Ooh, baby. Anyway, I'm incorporating some of that footage into this maintenance vlog. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like I can get multiple different videos out of, you know, the same footage. So anyway, I didn't have a choice but to do my hair tonight because like I said, we are leaving at the ass crack of dawn in the morning. And I needed to make sure that I had my hair done because I was not going to take all of this stuff down there to do my hair at my mother-in-law's house because we're going to my husband's hometown. I didn't feel like lugging all of my hair stuff because that means I would have had to take all my sprays, my hot comb, my flat iron, my this. Nope, we ain't doing all that. So as much as I'm tired and I'm ready to just lay down, I need to go ahead and do my ponytail. So half the battle is over. I have washed and blow dried my hair and my hair is thick. Okay, my hair is so thick and it takes me a while to blow dry it all to really make sure that it's, you know, nice and flat as can be. So we already halfway through the feet, okay, but I still need to go ahead and record it. Luckily though, I had already decided that I'm not going to do like any on camera talking. I'm just going to record it and do a voiceover, which will help me move through my process a whole lot quicker. Because when I'm talking, y'all already know I will get to rambling on and on and on and on. I'm about to go ahead and hop off of here and go ahead and get into my hair.
But don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay.
What's up, y'all? So my hair is complete, but my hair been done since Thursday, and it is Monday. Y'all, so life was lifing, baby. Okay, life was lifing. Thursday ended up being way busier than what I expected. I expected to be able to, you know, do my nails, toes, do my hair, do my lashes. No, that is not how life worked that day. I had a ton of errands to run on Thursday, and I didn't even end up doing my hair until I think I got done at midnight, and we hit the road at 2 o'clock in the morning. I was just depleted. I was tired. I had been up all day, literally. So I had to salve it out of town with no lashes, which it actually ended up being very cute because I did a really, really soft look when I went to my auntie's wedding. Congratulations, TT. But I did a very, very soft look with just mascara, and it was really, really cute. So I was like, you know, we'll just do the lashes when we come back and finish out the maintenance vlog. So yes, I am definitely still attaching this footage to this maintenance vlog because that was my plan and we're sticking to the plan. So right now it's late again, y'all. I'm telling y'all, my 9:34. Can y'all see that? 9:34. It's why I do everything late at night, I don't know. But anyway, I am about to take a shower and then I've already got all my stuff set up to go ahead and do my lashes. So I will check back in with y'all before I actually start filming my lashes. So I'll be back. I am fresh out the shower. I did go ahead and do my skincare because I am about to do my lashes. And so I'm not going to be able to talk and do my lashes at the same time because I'm doing a tutorial, but I will tell y'all that I am using the FadLash extensions. I have the 10D and 14D mix, and this is what I'm going to be using. And then I also am using this Neenoxtub. Have y'all seen this on Amazon? So it is for self and professional use. So I'm excited to try this. It says ultra hold, no fume, no irritation. I think it said it had no formaldehyde, no latex. Oh my gosh, what the hell? So anyway, I'm about to go ahead and film the tutorial. So like I said, I will insert footage for this because again, this is part of my maintenance vlog, right? Because I got to get myself together. Let me tell y'all something real quick. This is synthetic hair, right? I done been rained on a couple times. And this ponytail is lasting pretty good, I must say. So, synthetic hair for the win. You know, you just got to keep a brush. Okay, keep a brush with the... And I left mine over here. Hold on. A good detangling brush, baby. See, look at that. Okay. And what I say, I did this Thursday night, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 days. And we're doing good. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So let's go ahead and insert some footage. And I'll have to do a voiceover because like I said... the lashes. Honestly, I mean, first time doing it with the fans, I think I did good. Okay, I think I did all right. I mean, I didn't want to layer the fans on top of each other. I was still trying to put them like on each individual lash. So honey, we made it work. But anyway, that is the end of the maintenance vlog. We have gone from nails to feet to hair to what the y'all, there is a... Did it go in my mouth? What the... There's a bug. There's a fly flying in here, and I swear it just almost landed on my lip. Anyway, that is the maintenance vlog. We have gone through everything. Like I said, I am a self-sufficient kind of girl. Like, if the most that I can do at home myself, I'm down for it because I don't like to spend money. I've always been a self-sufficient kind of person where I like to do everything as much as I can because I just like to do it anyway. So the only thing that I ever spend money on are my nails, my toes, because those are two things that I just don't know how to do. And I don't want to wear press-ons all the time. So I do get my nails done, I get my toes, and I get my brows waxed. And I get the other situation waxed. But outside of that, hairstyles, I'm going to do myself. Lashes, I will do myself. Makeup, I of course do myself. So I like to save money as much as possible. So anyway, that is what we did on today's maintenance vlog. But I thank you guys so much for coming to rock with me today. Actually, matter of fact, the last couple of days because we did not get this maintenance vlog done in time. But thank you so much for coming to rock with me, and I will catch y'all
on the next video. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting the notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. All right, I'm tired. It's like after midnight, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So I got to go, baby. I got to work tomorrow. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.